Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Aditi Ghosh once again on your favorite numerology channel, Inner World Revealed Numerology and more. And in this log, I'm going to share with you the much awaited annual yearly forecast for the year 2022. The repercussions of pandemic that had started in the year 2020, or more precisely in the year 2019, in late 2019, are still being felt. There are many small businesses that are still struggling to recover, and so is the arts, entertainment and the recreation sector. However, we can see a lot of growth in online education sector. As a matter of fact, offline education is still struggling to recover. However, a new genre of education which we had never heard of before, which is the amalgamation of online and offline education, which we call the hybrid education, is making its space. There's a rapid rise in online shopping and cloud marketplaces as people are becoming more and more lazy day by day and trying to do everything from home only. For instance, earlier they used to go to movie theaters, now they are watching all the movies on OTT platforms only. And I guess the IT companies are massively gaining from this. When I did the universal year forecast for the year 2021, I remember having said all this then. Economies are going to recover, businesses are going to gain momentum and are going to grow. It was a time when economies were at their lows and stock markets were crashing. And today, 1 year after that, when the virus is still acquiring new mutations, the markets are telling a completely different story. As a matter of fact, I also remember having said this then. People are going to become more positive and more optimistic with the way they communicate with others, because people are going to become more aware, people are going to receive a lot of information. As a matter of fact, we're going to be bombarded with a lot of information during the year 2021, and that is going to change our perspective towards looking at the whole situation. Now let us come to the year 2022. When I see this number 2022, I see too many repeats of 2. There are 3 repeats of 2. 2 is the millennium number, 2 is the decade specific number, and 2 is also the year specific number. The year number is 22, but this is the second year in the decade of 2, and the complete code is finally reducing to the base value 6. Now when I come to the year specific number 22, it is very easy to tell that 22 is a master number. Anyone can tell that. But before we understand what 22 actually is, we need to understand 2 first. And the number 2 basically represents a gestation period when you basically collect, assimilate and analyze everything around you. And more number of 2s we see in a code, more of these qualities are going to come into play. For instance, during the 1900s, we did not see much of this kind of qualities in action. We saw more of confrontational behavior. People were more confrontational and enthusiastic and physically more active. So we saw a lot of discoveries and revolutions and also some wars happening around that time. Now, in comparison to the 1900s, right now we definitely can feel reduced optimism and reduced enthusiasm. For instance, during the 1900s, we saw major discoveries like the discovery of aeroplanes. There was a massive development in that sector. And now when the 21st century is on, we can majorly see the development of smartphones only. So during that time, when we got to really fly high physically, right now we are only getting to fly mentally majorly. Now when another 2 got added, for instance in the code 2020, 2 became the decade specific number. So when 2 appeared as the decade number, we became further more passive and became more homebound. And now we're going to have a third 2. Do you think that we are going to break this pattern of being unassertive and being a bit homebound? I definitely think no. I think we're going to be a little less active as compared to the year 2021. At least out there, we had one appearing as the year specific number, but right now all the digits, all the particular numbers are all twos. So definitely we're not going to break that pattern right now. However, progress is definitely going to happen because the year specific number, the complete base code, is reducing to the number 6, which is the number for Venus. And the planet Venus stands for luxury, beauty, femininity, charm, and harmony. And all these sectors are definitely going to develop a lot. And we're also going to see a lot of development in the entertainment sector because that too is ruled by the planet Venus. Now, if we consider the year specific number 22, we can see that 22 is definitely a master number and it is the higher octave of the base value 4. And 4 is a number which is known to be setting boundaries and bringing upon new systems. So definitely new methods, new systems and new boundaries are going to be created due to this vibration. And as 22 is a master number vibration, things may happen in a massive scale. 22 always does things on a very grand scale. So positively thinking about it, what can happen is success or development can happen on a grand scale. But whenever such possibilities are there, challenges can also be equally big. Attainment of grand dreams is definitely possible, but we would have to apply ourselves to the matter at hand and show readiness to go ahead step by step, non-stop, and go ahead in a very systematic manner. Because once again, as I said, that challenges are going to be very big and challenges are going to be there when the number 22 is going to be active. Also at the same time, there are going to be a lot of hidden elements because repeats of number 2 is definitely going to keep these hidden elements active, and this virus is also one of these hidden elements only. So most likely these hidden elements are going to be there. This may create hindrance in our decision making process. However, we would have to base ourselves on logic in practicality and think with a very grounded approach and go ahead and make our decisions. Grounded approach and logical thinking would be the saving factors. Now, whenever the number 2 repeats in a code, what happens is it becomes very emotionally active. So this time is also definitely going to be very emotionally active, and negatively, when emotions are too active, what happens is people tend to overreact, and it may cause people to make mountains out of molehills. When there is no issue, people can make issue out of it. So situations could be fluctuating due to some kind of an unstable behavior, unstable emotional pattern from people. The saving factors are going to be poise, composure, diplomacy, and also the capacity to work on a very ground level, step by step, by thinking logically and achieving harmonious solutions by weighing all pros and cons of a situation. Creativity is also going to be a very strong point, so we have to find ways to positively channelize this creative energy. Apart from that, 6, the universal year number 6, also puts our attention towards all these interpersonal relationships. So we have to pay attention to our relationships, spend time with our loved ones, make life comfortable for ourselves and for them also. And these would be the ways in which we can contribute in our own small way to make the world a better place for everyone, for ourselves and for our loved ones too. However, the role which is very specific to you would only be clear to you if you also look into your personal year number. So 6 is going to be the universal year number, 2022 is the universal universal year, and that is reducing to the base value 6. And with respect to that, you also have to look into your personal year number. If you know how to find your personal year number and the duration of the personal year or personal years that are going to be activated during the duration of this universal year 2022, what you have to do is you have to find your specific personal year number timestamp in the description box or as a pinned comment in the comment section below. That too has all the timestamps provided to you with respect to your personal year numbers that are going to be activated. So you click on that link and find your personal year forecast. However, if you do not know how to find your personal year numbers, stay with me, I'm going over it very quickly. So write down your date of birth like this. Say it is 12th of May 1996. For this calculation, we don't need the year number, so just remove it right away. And so we have 12th of May. Now you add 12 and 5, that gives us 17, and 17 reduces to 1 plus 7 equals 8, and 8 is your attitude number. Now to this attitude number, add the universal year number right now, which is 6. So you add 8 to 6, you get 14, and 14 reduces to personal year 5. This is your personal year number. Now you have to pay attention to this part, which I'm going to say next. You have to pay attention to how you derive the duration of the personal year. For all of you, the duration is not going to be from the 1st of January to the 31st of December. Like for in this case, where the birthday is 12th of May 1996, the person has his age changing on the 12th of May, not on the 1st of January. So his personal year is going to begin for the universal year 2022. The personal year is going to begin from the 12th of May. So the personal year number 5 that we derived is going to start from 12th of May 2022, and for the rest of the year it's going to be so. And from the 1st of January 2022 to the 12th of May 2022, it's going to be personal year 4 active for this person. So do this simple math, find your personal years, find your activated personal years and their duration, and then click on the timestamp specific to you. Go to your forecast straight away. But before you go, remember to support me by subscribing to my channel, by liking my logs and by sharing my logs, and also remember to hit the bell icon, the notifications button, okay? Otherwise I'm just going to choke you. And also remember to check the 2 fabulous books written by me. The links are provided in the description box below, okay? Now let me begin with all of you who are in your personal year 1s. And if you are in your personal year 1, you're going to feel a very strong urge towards starting something new or towards beginning a new project or a new venture. And there's going to be a lot of enthusiasm and driving force within you, which you must actually utilize, because the time is also going to be extremely potent for new beginnings right now. And you must rely on your own abilities, and you must accept some major changes that would be happening in your life right now, and show faith towards the flow of the cosmos, show faith in your own abilities, and show the readiness to grab the opportunities or the new paths that are opening up right for you right now. And don't lose this time. This is a very potent time for new beginnings. So be disciplined, be very, very, very focused, and be self-reliant, believe in yourself, and take charge of the situation, because unless you act upon it, nothing is going to happen for you. So take charge of the situation, take the leap of faith if necessary right now, and go ahead for what you truly believe in, because what you believe in, what you are feeling from inside, is the right path for you to take right now. Now that brings me to all of you who are in your personal years 2. And the personal year 2 comes after the personal year 1. And the personal year 1 was the time when you were supposed to sow all the new seeds or begin upon the new ventures. And right now, during the personal year 2, it is the waiting time when you allow those seeds which you have sown during the personal year 1 to germinate. Now, as I always say, that 2 always activates a lot of hidden factors. So even if growth happens right now in your life, that too is going to be very hidden. You're not going to see visible results. Even if you try to force it or push towards it, you're not going to see it. So the only option for you is to patiently show a waiting kind of an attitude. You also have to know that 2 also activates a lot of vulnerabilities and a lot of activated emotions. So you have to be a bit careful about emotionally just reacting to something before you react. Do a lot of research and weigh all the pros and cons and show some wisdom and composure right now, because you may only overreact to a situation which might be something different in reality. And you also have to be very careful about your associations right now, because as I said, there are going to be a lot of hidden factors. So you too do not disclose all your plans publicly. Keep most of it to yourself for the time being. So that brings me to all of you who have the personal year 3 activated right now, and the year 3 always brings a lot of growth. And if you ask me what is going to be the direction of growth, I would say it could be growth in your social contacts or the social connections that you have. So it's definitely going to be a good idea to meet people, meet more and more people, and also attend social events at this point, because your connections, the connections that you're making right now, are going to be very important for you in the future as well. And your creativity quotient is also going to increase quite a bit. So you have to find out ways of channelizing your creativity or expressing yourself creatively. And you may also feel much inspired and much enthusiastic because of some positive feedback that you may receive from people. So you definitely can feel happy about it, but keep your optimism a bit grounded on reality. Base yourself on reality, because if you become too optimistic unrealistically, you may just end up squandering away your beautiful energies and resources. So be careful about that. Otherwise, it's a very good time when you should express yourself freely. You should use your creativity in every area of your life. Find out creative ways of expressing yourself and doing things. So that brings me to all of you who will have the personal year 4 activated right now. And the personal year 4 is a time of working upon the core foundation of your life and organizing your life and bringing about a basic system and method into your life. You will have to work with the future in mind. You will have to think about the future. The things that you would do right now are going to really affect your future. So choose wisely. Think about the future. What would be useful if you do it right now? Would it be useful for the future? Always think that and act upon. It is definitely a good year to buy a new house or to move into a new house or to redesign or remodel your space. But try one thing, that you stick to a budget, make a very budgeted plan and try to do the groundwork. Do not postpone what needs to be done. Do what is absolutely necessary and stick to your budget. Be very grounded, be very logical, methodical and disciplined. So that brings me to all of you who are in your personal year 5, and being in the personal year 5 means you just had the year 4 when you had the opportunity to solidify your base organize your life and optimize all your resources. And after having done all that, now your doorways towards change are open. You're being exposed to all the new opportunities and the gateways that are going to open for you. So you have to show flexibility and presence of mind to grab the opportunities right when they come, because they might not always come gift wrapped. Sometimes they may come disguised as challenges, but then you can definitely use your intelligence and presence of mind to turn them in your favor. Remember, luck is going to be by your side right now, so do not refrain from trying it out. Take some risks, take some chances, and turn the challenges into opportunities, because social support is going to be by your side. So definitely make use of this wonderful time. Now that brings me to all of you who are going to have the personal year 6 on, which means you just had the personal year 5, which was a bit of a crazy time when you were bombarded with a lot of opportunities and a lot of sensational excitements. And now after all that chaos, you have the time for peaceful settlement. During the 6 activated time, your situation is going to improve and become more peaceful and more settled, and a lot of progress in terms of business and finances, and also career-based progress can also happen. But that is going to happen coupled with some increase in responsibilities in the home front. Some relative or maybe your children could be needing you strongly, and you will have to willingly accept all your responsibilities and all your duties and give them your time and care and warmth. And you have to balance both sides. You have to balance career, you have to balance home front, and keeping a balance in both sides, you have to move ahead. Remember that balance is the main theme of the 6th year. You have to try and achieve balance in all spheres of your life. If balance is lopsided anywhere, situations are not going to remain the same out there. You know, sometimes even separations are created in order to find peace. 6 always gets you peace. So whatever you do, you must make sure that you are trying to achieve a balance. You're trying to achieve a balance in your behavior, some delicate diplomacy in your behavior. If anything is off balance, that is going to be eliminated also. So you have to be careful about that and go ahead. So that brings me to all of you who have the personal year 7 running, and the personal year 7 is always a very introspective and a very internal year. This is the time when you get to understand what actually works for you and what doesn't work for you, and based on that understanding, you're able to upgrade your status, upgrade yourself internally, and you're able to upgrade your position. However, remember that all the development that is happening right now would be all internal development. Nothing would show externally right now. So this time is going to be best utilized if you read, relax, rejuvenate, if you upgrade your knowledge, if you make yourself better, if you educate yourself, and if you just follow up with whatever you have been continuing to do. Do not add to your work, okay? Do not try to change your life in a big way right now. Do not push for some major results or try to expand your business right now. You do not push any major change, okay? That's a thumb rule, because if you try to exert yourself physically at this moment, you might fall ill. So you have to be careful about that. Apart from that, keep on upgrading yourself, keep on educating yourself. If you want to learn a new skill, your concentration level right now is going to be very high. So utilize this time to internally upgrade yourself. You might not receive the results immediately, but remember, progress is happening, just that you're not getting to avail it right now, but it'll be coming to you very, very soon. So that brings me to all of you who are going to be in your personal year 8. And 8 is going to be a time when you should fasten your seat belts, because your results are going to be out. After all the hard work that you did from the year 1 to year 7, right now you're going to see the outcome of all of it. If the decisions that you made during the past 7 years were right for you, you're going to be rewarded in a big way now. If they were not, you're going to maybe lose your ground. But all in all, your confusion is going to be cleared. Pay attention to how the year goes by. By the middle of the year, you would get a clear-cut idea about what is working for you and what is not. If something is not working for you, if you find out that something has not worked for you, you will now have the opportunity to change it. You will have the opportunity to completely concentrate on your work and facilitate financial growth and abundance. 8 also definitely stands for financial growth and abundance. Also, you will have the opportunity to improve your situation by finding out what's not working for you. You must discontinue it and try to improve upon your situation. You will have the opportunity to change your life. So do not lose this opportunity that the 8th year brings. Finally, that brings me to all of you who are in your personal year 9. And the year 9 is the final year of the 9-year epicycle. It is the time of closure, when your epicycle of 9 years is coming to a closure. So your job right now is to bring everything to completion, finish up all the pending tasks, clear all the balance sheets. Do not keep anything hanging right now. Release everything that is totally used by you and is not needed anymore. Clear your space, clear your mind. A brand new epicycle of another 9 years is waiting just around the corner. So unless you clear your space, unless you clear your mind, new things are really not going to happen at the right time. Okay, so don't keep things hanging right now. Also, do not act very self-centered at this point of time. This is a time when you are supposed to support a larger cause than yourself. You have to support something which makes some meaning or changes the world in a better way. You have to give away your experiences, give away your learnings, because during the course of past 8 years, you have gained a lot from the universe. You have found a lot of abundance, a lot of gifts, and if not abundance, at least you have gained a lot of experiences. You're rich by experiences. So now it is your time to share. So share with a very kind heart. Treat everyone with a lot of kindness. Never have the feeling of vengeance or never have the feeling of grudges for anyone. Even if they have wronged you in the past, release them, let them go. Learn to let go gracefully, because even if you don't let go, certain things would naturally be ending with the course of time right now. So that was all about the 2022 annual yearly forecast. In this log, I have basically covered your personal year forecast. Apart from this, I also cover your personal month forecast by the end of every month. So you can definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so that you can receive the updates whenever I upload those logs. So avail these time correction remedies that I provide on my channel by the end of each month. It takes a lot of hard work and effort from my side to make these logs, and if you don't use them, all my effort and my hard work goes wasted. So definitely use it, benefit from it, and if you feel benefited, do care to share it with others. By sharing, you would also make my channel grow. You would help me and encourage me, so definitely do that. And that'll be all for today. Have a very nice time and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Bye bye.